In front of me is Redmi Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google available here. Now select All Services. Scroll again and this time tap on Autofill with Google. Finally, tap on Google Password Manager and select any password you wanna get rid of from your manager. It won't delete any app or any account. I will go with this one, so I have to click Enter a more current login method. And finally, select the Delete button. Last but not least, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!